Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the PC so the emulator runs smoothly. First, reboot and enable VTX or AMD in BIOS. This unlocks hardware virtualization, which greatly improves performance. Once done, download Android Studio if you want the official AVD route, or pick a third-party emulator for app testing. Install Android Studio, and during setup choose the Android SDK and platform tools. These are required. Make sure you accept recommended defaults, so the SDK path and tools are correctly configured. Now you configure the emulator itself. Open Android Studio's SDK Manager and install the specific SDK and system images you need. Pick an x86 or x86-64 image for best speed. Next, in AVD Manager, create a new virtual device. Select a phone or tablet profile, choose an API level that matches your app, and assign an x86 image. Then tweak memory and graphics. Increase RAM moderately, set graphics to hardware glaze, and perform one cold boot to initialize the virtual disk and cache. Finally, run and test your emulator. Launch the AVD and confirm it shows in a DB devices, then install an APK with a DB install path /to/app. Apt to validate behavior. For consistent performance, enable Hyper-V on Windows or install Intel Haxum, allow GPU acceleration, and give the AVD at least 2 CPU cores. If something fails, check the emulator logs for errors, try wiping AVD data, reinstall the system image, or disable nested virtualization in BIOS. These fixes resolve most boot and performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.